Hello, honor chemistry students. Welcome to week 3. Can't believe we're starting week 3 of distant learning, but here we are. Just want to give you a really quick little overview of what today's going to look like and what the week is going to look like. There's some things that we have to kind of make sure that we wrap up this week. If you look at my daily message, now it's above this here, but you'll notice that you really need to take the attendance. This is super important. I have to mark attendance by 3:30, and many of you guys haven't started your quiz that I can tell that you've engaged, because you have till like 11 o'clock or almost midnight of 11:59 on that day to complete that work. So if super important, you guys get in the habit of making sure you take the daily attendance. Like right after you watch this video, go take attendance, okay? Other thing I want to let you know is that you need to upload your test screencast. I have about 1/3 of you guys who have done that, and I just want to remind you that that is in Friday's folder. So you will have to go here, back to your Friday folder, and you're going to have to upload your link here. And again, here's the directions on how to do a screencast. I want to do this to ensure that you guys know how to do this, so there isn't any surprises come Wednesday when that final project is due. So please make sure that you guys do that. It's worth homework points, and those are due today. Okay, so other little fun thing I want to do is just kind of put a discussion out there. What was the best thing that happened to you over the weekend? So kind of talk about maybe one really great thing that happened to you over the weekend. And then, as you know, there's the daily lesson. This is the formative quiz that has to be done by 11:59, and homework and a post for questions. If you guys have questions at all, I want you guys to be able to maybe even ask questions of each other. And once again, like I said, I'm going to be looking at that kind of, every hour or so. I try to kind of get back in and make sure that you guys have questions. The other thing I wanted to say just really briefly is that I don't know if you guys are still taking a look at my calendar, but I am trying to kind of update, and if there's some long-standing projects so that you guys can kind of know what those due dates are like. I'm incorporating those into the calendar as well right now. So the test, if you'll notice, is on the 22nd. It will have some multiple choice questions, and then the other portion of your test will be that submission of your project on that gas laws that you guys are creating, that screencast project. So that's what's going on here. Hope everybody's doing well. If you have any questions during the day, you guys can email me. We can make a Google Meet. I plan on doing a Google Meet tomorrow, since it's review day, to kind of just catch up any loose ends that people might have with the learning that they're doing. But please let me know if you have any questions. I can definitely help you today, so don't wait until tomorrow for help. Call me up. Email me and let me know what you need, and I'm here. So hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.